In this video, I will share my opinion about the video Gasoline and what I learned from it. I agree with the message of the video because it shows the real struggles of Filipino families today. The father in the video sacrifices a lot just to provide for his family, even if he's already tired and has little money left. The issue in the video is the increase in oil prices, which leads to poverty. When gasoline becomes expensive, the cost of living also goes up. This affects daily needs like transportations, foods, and other expenses, making it harder for families to survive. The lesson we can learn is to be more understanding and grateful to our parents. And the government should also provide solutions to help low-income families. We should also learn to be practical and support our family in any way we can.